Last lecture we have to see that the exercise number 5.1 1 to 5 examples. Next we have to see example number 6. Write down example number 6 for exercise number 5.1. If factor a is equal to I plus j minus 2k, factor a is equal to I plus j minus 2k, factor b 2i minus j plus k, and factor c 3i minus k, then find the scalars. Then find the scalars m and n such that factor c is equal to m factor a plus n factor b. Write down example. Solution. Let factor a is equal to first factor I plus j plus minus 2k, factor b 2i minus j plus k, factor c 3i minus k. Also given in a combination we have to given that factor c is equal to m factor a plus n factor b. Therefore we have to put factor c is 3i minus k is equal to m scalar as it is, factor a, write down I plus a minus 2k, bracket complete, plus n scalar as it is in bracket, factor b 2i minus j by plus k, bracket complete. Then we have to solve these brackets and take common I, j, k unit vectors, that is in bracket m plus 2n bracket complete I plus bracket m minus n factor j plus in bracket minus 2m plus n bracket complete factor k. आता LHS पहा, vector आहे 3i minus k and RHS is this vector I plus j plus k, equating the coefficients of I, j, k on both the sides. दोन्ही साइड से I, j, k चे कोएफिशिएंट इक्वेट करें. Therefore, m in right hand side, the coefficient of I is m plus 2n is equal to in left hand side 3i minus k vector. Coefficient I चा coefficient काय आहे ठिकाणी 3. Therefore, m plus 2n is equal to 3, equation number 1. In right side, j चा coefficient काय पहा, m minus n, right m minus n is equal to, या ठिकाणी j ला coefficient आहे का j? नाही म्हणजेच काय, we have to take 0 into j, that is 0 vector. Therefore, is equal to 0. Next, in right hand side factor, the coefficient of factor k is minus 2m plus n, that is minus 2m plus n, and in LHS the coefficient of factor k is minus 1, that is minus 1, equation number 3. Solve these equations simultaneously, we get m is equal to n is equal to 1. We have solved these equations, linear equations, by Cramer's rule, or direct we have to put find x, y, z value or mn value. We have to get m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. Therefore, find the scalars m and n. We have to calculate the scalars m and n. Therefore, we have to get in this example m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. It is sixth example. Next, example number 7. Write down are the 4 points. We have to given 4 points: a 1 minus 1 1, b minus 1 1 1, c 1 1 1, and d 2 minus 3 4 are coplanar. हे जे पॉइंट आहेत 4 दिलेली ते कोप्लेनर दाखवायचे आहेत आपल्याला. त्यासाठी आपण काय करायला, पोझिशन वेक्टर काढावं लागतील. लेट factor a, b, c and factor d are the position factors of the points. We have to give one points A, B, C and D respectively. Point A चा पोझिशन वेक्टर A, point B चा B, C चा C and D चा वेक्टर D respectively. Then along the unit vectors we have to write factor A on this point A, 1 minus 1 1, therefore factor A is I minus j plus k. Factor B from B point minus I plus j plus k. Next factor C on point C, I plus j plus k, and factor D from D point 2I minus 3j plus 4k. Right? Next we have to write position vectors of the points A, B, C and D. Next we have to calculate by the definition of position vector. By the definition of position vector, AB is equal to, by the definition of position vector, factor AB is equal to factor B minus factor A. Factor B minus factor A we have to get minus 2I plus 2j. But calculate direct. Factor AB is equal to factor B minus factor A is minus 2I plus 2j. Next we have to calculate position vector AC. Then by the definition of position vectors, factor AC is equal to factor C minus factor A is 2j. Next factor AD, by the definition of position vectors, factor AD is equal to factor D minus factor A is I minus 2j plus 3k. Next we have to show that these 4 points are coplanar. That is, we have to show factor AB, AC and AD are coplanar. We have to show the points A, B, C and D are coplanar. That is, we have to show factor AB, AC and AD are coplanar. That is, we have to show these 3 factors we have to show coplanar. Means what? Factor AD is equal to scalar into factor AB plus scalar into factor AC. Factor AD is equal to X factor AB plus Y factor AC. We have to calculate factor AD. We have to calculate factor AD is I minus 2j plus 3k is equal to X in bracket factor AB minus 2I minus 2j plus Y factor AC 2j. That is, we have to solve this. We have to in LHS factor I minus 2j plus 3k factors is equal to minus 2xi plus in bracket minus 2x plus 2y j factor j plus 0 factor k. Comparing the coefficients of I, j, k on LHS and RHS, we get equating. Comparing or equating the coefficients of I, j, k, we get the coefficients of I is 1 in LHS, RHS minus 2x, that is 1 is equal to minus 2x, therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, coefficient of j in LHS minus 2 is equal to in RHS minus 2x plus 2y, that is minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2y, therefore y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, coefficient of k is 3 and coefficient of k is 0, that is 3 is equal to 0 is not equal, that is 3 not equal to 0 is not equal, 3 is equal to 0 is not equal, therefore the coefficient of k is not unique. x चा कोएफिशिएंट किती आहे 1 by minus 1 by 2, y चा कोएफिशिएंट किती आहे minus 1. त्याचप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी युनिक यायला पाहिजे k चा कोएफिशिएंट. या ठिकाणी आयचा कोएफिशियंट आलेला -1/2 एचा -1 त्याप्रमाणे केचा पण -1/2 यायला पाहिजे होता. म्हणजेच काय झालं असतं पहा, these factors are coplanar, therefore points A, B, C, D are coplanar. But in this example or in this case, the coefficient of factor K is not unique. Therefore, factor AB, factor AC and factor AD are not coplanar. That is, factor not coplanar आहेत. लक्षात घ्या, AB, AC and AD are not coplanar. Therefore, काय म्हणू शकतो आपण, points A, B, C and D are not coplanar. तर या ठिकाणी Z is equal to minus, that is the coefficient of factor K is -1/2 आला असता तर आपण आपलं इक्वेशन पॉइंट्स कोप्लेनर आलं असतं किंवा फॅक्टर कोप्लेनर आलं असतं. फॅक्टर कोप्लेनर आल्यानंतर पॉइंट कोप्लेनर आलं असतं, परंतु या ठिकाणी 3 not equal to 0. Therefore, the coefficient of factor K is not unique. That is, these points are not coplanar. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इथे का लक्षात पहा, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 8. राइट डाउन, if factor A, B, C are non-coplanar. Non-coplanar factors दिलेत पहा. Factor A, factor B and factor C are non-coplanar factors दिलेत. Then prove that the factors, हे 3 फॅक्टर नॉन कोप्लेनर दिलेत. आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायला सांगितलंय का बा, 2A - 4B + 4C, A - 2B + 4C and -A + 2B + 4C are कोलिनियर. म्हणजे हे फॅक्टर नॉन कोप्लेनर दिलेत आणि त्यांचं कॉम्बिनेशन कोलिनियर आहेत हे दाखवायचं आपल्याला. सोल्युशन, लेट we have to given vectors 1, 2, 3, that is P, Q, R. Take P, Q, R vectors. P is equal to first vector 2 factor A minus 4 factor B plus 4 factor C. Q vector second vector factor A minus 2 factor B plus 4 factor C. आणि R factor minus A factor plus 2B factor plus 4C vector. We have to put this P, Q, R vectors. Let P, Q, R be the points whose position factors are. Capital P, Q are the points whose position factors are factor P, factor Q and factor R respectively. म्हणजे आपण जे कॅपिटल पॉइंट जे आहेत P, Q, R त्याचे पोझिशन फॅक्टर P, Q, R आहेत. आता by the definition of position factor, by the definition of position factors, factor PQ is equal to, by the definition of position factors, factor PQ is equal to factor Q minus factor P is equal to factor Q. We know factor Q, A minus 2B plus 4C minus factor P, 2A minus 4B plus 4C. Take subtraction, we have to get factor PQ is equal to minus factor A plus 2 factor B. Similarly, we have to calculate the position factor of PR, that is R minus P. That is, we have to give one minus 3A plus 6B. That is, we have to take 3 as common. Therefore, factor PR is equal to 3 in bracket minus factor A plus 2B factor. Right? आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं पहा, factor A, B are non coplanar. Then the factors P, Q, R are co-linear दाखवायचे आहेत. राईट, आपल्याला पॉइंट काय करायचं ते co-linear दाखवायचे. नेक्स्ट, therefore factor PQ is equal to, we have to calculate minus factor A plus 2 factor B and factor PR is equal to 3 in bracket minus factor A plus 2 factor B. Therefore, factor PR is equal to 3 into factor PQ. लक्षात घ्या, factor PR is equal to scalar into factor. factor is equal to scalar into factor. Therefore, factor PQ and PR are collinear by the definition of collinear factors. By the definition of collinear factors, we know the factor is equal to scalar into another factor. Therefore, the points PQR lie on the same line. Yes, the points PQR lie on the same line. Hence, the given factors are collinear. एकाच लाईनवर वेक्टर पॉइंट असतील ते काय असतात, कोलिनियर असतात किंवा पॅरलल असतील तरी पण कोलिनियर. परंतु या ठिकाणी PQR आर ऑन दी सेम लाईन. देअरफॉर द गिवन वेक्टर्स आर कोलिनियर. Similarly, we have to solve the example number 9 of this type. We have to show last example. We have to solve for this period. Last example on this exercise. Express minus I minus 3j plus 4k as a linear combination of the vectors. Express minus I minus 3j plus 4k as a linear combination of the factors 2i plus j minus 3k, 2i minus j plus 3k and 3i plus j minus 2k. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय दिले पहा, एक फॅक्टर दिलेला आहे आणि तो फॅक्टर काय करायचा, इतर तीन फॅक्टर बरोबर लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन आहे हे दाखवायचं फक्त. वी हॅव टू गिवन one factor, that is factor P, and another three factors, factor A, B, C are given. Then these three factors are linear combination of these factors. This factor P is a linear combination of this A, B, C vector. We have to show for this example. आला लक्षात पहा तुमच्या, फॅक्टर P हा लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन आहे तीन व्हेक्टरचं, हे आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपण एक थेरम पाहिलेला आहे पहा. Vector R is equal to x vector A plus y vector B plus z vector C is a linear combination of the three vectors. We have to show this type. We have to solve this example. Vector P, we have to given this first vector minus I minus 3j plus 4k. Then another vector A 2i plus j minus 4k. Vector B 2i minus j plus 3k and factor C 3i plus j minus 2k, right? First in solution, then factor P expressed as a linear combination of, factor P expressed as a linear combination of factors factor A, factor B and factor C. There exist, actually आपल्याला लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन दाखवायचं म्हणजे स्केलर पाहिजे बरोबर. आपल्याला जर फॅक्टर लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये दाखवायचे असतील तर त्याबरोबर स्केलर लागतात पहा. देअर एक्झिस्ट, आपण स्केलर घ्यायचे, देअर एक्झिस्ट ए स्केलर्स एक्स वाय झेड सच दॅट, देअर एक्झिस्ट ए स्केलर एक्स वाय झेड सच दॅट फॅक्टर P इज इक्वल टू एक्स फॅक्टर A प्लस वाय फॅक्टर B प्लस झेड फॅक्टर C. हे झालं लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन. आता लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन झालंय, परंतु काय करायचं आपल्याला या ठिकाणी जे स्केलर आहेत कुठले एक्स वाय झेड, हे जे स्केलर घेतले त्याचं आपल्याला काय करायचं पहा, त्याच्या व्हॅल्यू काढायचे पहा. लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन दाखवायचं म्हणजे काय करायचं आपण, हे जे स्केलर आहेत एक्स वाय झेड याच्या व्हॅल्यू काढायचे. आता या ठिकाणी कसं काढता येतील पहा. आपण आपल्याला लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन तर माहित आहे, फॅक्टर P इज इक्वल टू एक्स फॅक्टर A प्लस वाय फॅक्टर B प्लस झेड फॅक्टर C. वी हॅव टू पुट दी this, for this linear equation we have to put the values of factor P, factor A, factor B and factor C. That is factor P minus factor I minus factor J plus 4 factor K is equal to x into factor A plus y into factor B plus z into factor C. Factor P is equal to, we have to put the values of factor P, factor A, factor B and factor C for which equation, linear combination equation. Which equation? Factor P is equal to x vector A plus y vector B plus y vector z vector C. या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण वेक्टर पी, वेक्टर ए, वेक्टर बी अँड वेक्टर सी च्या व्हॅल्यू ठेवलेत. आता LHS पहा, मायनस फॅक्टर आय मायनस 3 फॅक्टर जे प्लस 4 फॅक्टर के, म्हणजेच आय जे के म्हणजे आपला फॅक्टर आहे. त्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी हे ब्रॅकेट सोडवायचे आणि वी हॅव टू टेक आय कॉमन प्लस जे कॉमन प्लस फॅक्टर के कॉमन. त्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी काय येईल पहा इक्वेशन 2x प्लस 2y प्लस 3z ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट फॅक्टर आय प्लस हे ब्रॅकेट सोडवायचे, आय कॉमन काढायचा, त्यानंतर जे कॉमन काढायचा आणि फॅक्टर के कॉमन काढायचा. आता LHS आणि RHS पहा. LHS ला काय आहे मायनस फॅक्टर आय मायनस 3 फॅक्टर जे प्लस 4 फॅक्टर के. Comparing the coefficients of I, J, K from LHS and RHS किंवा इक्वेटिंग दी कोएफिशियंट्स. काय लिहा तुम्ही कोएफिशियंट इक्वेट करा किंवा कंपेअर करा. In LHS coefficients of I is -1, write down -1. In RHS coefficient of I is 2x plus 2y plus 3z, write 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to -1, equation number 1. Similarly, we have to take coefficients of j is -3. In RHS, coefficient of j is x minus y plus z, that is x minus y plus z is equal to -3, equation number 2. Similarly, the coefficients of factor k on LHS is 4, then write 4, and RHS is minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z, minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 4, equation number 3. Of this type, we have to equating the coefficients of LHS and RHS of for I, J, K, and we have to get the equations 1, 2, 3. Then these are the linear equations in x, y, z. We have to calculate the values of x, y, z for these three equations by the Cramer's rule. In 11th standard, we have to see the Cramer's rule. We know the equations ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to d1 ax2 काय त्याप्रमाणे आपण क्रॅमर्स रूल पाहिलेला आहे. त्याप्रमाणे डी डिटर्मिनंट विच डिटर्मिनंट a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. Of this type we have to the coefficient, first column is coefficients of x 2 1 minus 4 2 1 minus 4. Second column is coefficient of y 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 1 3. Third column is coefficient of z 3 1 minus 2 3 1 minus. Then we have for this determinant we have to get d is equal to 9, that is delta. We have to show d or delta in 11th standard for Cramer's rule. We have to solve first delta or d, that is we have to write d is equal to 9. Of this type dx dy and dz, dx dy and dz, then x is equal to, then we have to write x is equal to, we know the form x is equal to dx by d or delta x by delta in 11th standard by Cramer's rule. We know we have to get the value of delta x or dx is minus 18, d is minus 9 is equal to 2, y is equal to dy by d 2, z is equal to dz by d 27 by minus 9 by minus 3. Therefore we know the आपण काय केले पहा लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन दाखवायचं म्हणजे काय केले रे आपण factor p is equal to x factor a plus y factor b plus z factor c. We have to return. Then we have to put the values of x, y, z. That is your answer. That is the factor p is equal to 2 factor a plus 2 factor b minus 3 factor c. That is your answer. That is the linear combination of three factors. That is p is equal to factor 2 factor a plus 2 factor b minus 3 factor c. That is end of our exercise number 5.1. We have to solve the given one example for exercise for homework. We have to solve next lecture for this example. Then we have to see all of it.